there are issues that we need to tackle. And if we do it holistically, I repeat, not in a silo format, we have to do it holistically. You have to look at yourselves as influencing policy beyond your comfort zone. Then we will start making the difference that will be badly needed. You should not look at yourselves as only influencing tourist or tourism or hospitality policies. Look at yourself holistically. You must be able to influence other things. You must be able to influence policies around security. You must be able to influence policies around the financing of the country and how they bring out their rules. In terms of looking at what taxation measures that a government is bringing in at the end of the day, you have to critically examine this. So look at the hospitality industry not in a silo approach, but look at it in a holistic approach.